Hey everyone, this is Cindy Clow at Just for Kicks in Brainerd, Minnesota at the home office where we support all our directors and dancers. And I just wanted to give a shout out to everyone and just say we know we've lost a lot of kids because they don't want to wear masks. And there's a few states where the mask mandate is still going. Many have let up, but Minnesota is still going strong with wearing masks. And just letting you know, we don't have a choice, so we're doing it with a smile on our face under our mask. And I've seen a lot of joy in the kids' eyes when they come in and start dancing again. I think that's really important to get them moving and get them in some positive activity. And like I said, we don't really have a choice. We could get a $10,000 fine if we don't follow this. And I will tell you, they acclimate to these masks very quickly if they have a positive attitude. I coach varsity. We're talking athletes that really train hard for 3 hours straight, some days 2 to 3 hours, and they're managing it. So it's all a mindset, and it takes about 14 days to acclimate to wearing a mask while you're working out or dancing. And is it easy? No. Do we have a choice? No. I just want to shout out that all our directors are on commission, and when kids drop for these masks, it's making it even harder on these women who this is their livelihood. So I just beg that people will come back, give the masks a shot. We are down over 30% right now in kids, if not higher. So, and when the mask mandate went in, we got a lot of drops. So I'm just asking you, give it another shot. We'd love you to come back. TWDs are firing up. Shows are firing up, and it's going to get better. It's not going to be that long. So thanks for sticking with us, and we hope you come back and dance soon. And if you are dancing right now, thank you. Thank you for sticking with us. We want to make this year start out strong and even end stronger. Thank you.